It looks so beautiful.
So welcome to our brand new motel. I call it brand new because just about everything's been redone.
I know.
We kept the old charm on the outside of the motel, redid it, repainted it, and inside it's all new, all modern in a way.
State of the art.
It is definitely. From electrical, plumbing, to paint, to furniture, to all the equipment. We added a laundromat because so many people in town wanted one. We finally did it. It's a commercial laundromat, very small, but it's going to accommodate the people that really want to use it for their big items. On the back side, we have 4 rooms, fabulous rooms. I call them luxury boutique rooms, and they fit that scenario completely.
I can't wait to see them.
The front, this is our entrance to the office for both the captain's boat rental and the motel, and we made a gift shop, an unusual gift shop at the same time.
Please, lead the way, sir.
Come on in.
Oh, wow. It looks beautiful.
And
Just beautiful.
we still have a lot of stock that will be coming in because we didn't have the time to order all the stock that we needed. We didn't know how much we would need. And on top of that, we were so busy renovating to open in May. And we finally opened up May 1st.
So in addition to restoring the motel, you've added some business partners in here. Tell me about that.
We did. I already told you about the laundromat. Next to the laundromat, we have the Bimini Top leather repair shop. And
For boats and such?
Yes, for boats and furniture. He'll do everything.
Oh.
Yeah, and he actually makes pocketbooks made out of leather.
Ooh.
So you can order those things
There
too.
might be some shopping in my future.
Then in the center, like I said, that's our main office. And also the gift shop, which we call LaLa's gift shop.
And LaLa is?
It's my son, when he was little, he couldn't say Lola, which is my eldest name. So he called her LaLa, and that's how we came up with LaLa's gift shop.
Oh, that's adorable.
It's actually the trading post, but it's a gift shop.
Perfect. Love that story.
That's it. And the patio is so comfortable for most people. It's really attractive. I kind of framed the old part of the building with the fencing and all the decorations on it.
You really have maintained beautifully the historic exterior, and love all the art that you have out here, and just a really charming view as you drive in.
Thank you.
So I see that in addition to the captain's boat rentals, you have Freedom Boat Club here now.
Yes, we do. They've been here since 2016. They've been with us for a long time. They absolutely love this little resort setting. They said it's one of the best locations for them. They have some 45, 50 locations, and they'd love to be here.
I think that's fantastic. And so not just inside, but outside as well. I see you have an entire new patio out here.
Yeah, even the patio had to be replaced because of the flood. We had a wooden one that almost floated away, and if it had separated, it would have destroyed the building. So we decided to go concrete and do a brand new patio.
Well, it's just beautiful. What a lovely place to sit and enjoy the coastline and the view and the incredible scenery.
So a big part of our business is the pontoon boat rental business. And we have 10 boats. And they are some of the best boats from Clearwater all the way to the Panhandle. We do a tremendous business. People love our boats. And it's very convenient. It's right here on the canal. You can rent a room and rent one of our boats, or you can just rent boats all by themselves.
Oh, how wonderful.
This is one of our larger rooms. It has 2 bedrooms, sleeps 8 people all together. We have 2 queen-size beds in one room and 2 full-size beds in the other room. The kitchenette, living room, they're all top-notch, just like this room is. Granite counters, farm sinks in all our rooms, and brand new appliances throughout. We have dryers inside the bathroom hooked up to the wall. We have special mirrors where they can do their makeup closer. We have a vault in the closet. We try to think of everything that our customers would want in an upper end room.
So kitschy old Florida on the outside, all the modern conveniences on the inside.
Exactly.
What could be better? So we're all familiar with that expression, it takes a village. And Jan and his family have spent the last 7 months restoring not only the historic Hernando Beach Motel, but creating an entire village. And once again, Hernando Beach is whole.
And we can't wait to welcome our new visitors to see the Hernando Beach Village.